In the heart of Rajasthan, amidst the golden sands and ancient forts, lived Arav and Mira, two souls bound by fate. Arav was a schoolteacher in a small village, while Mira, the daughter of a local artisan, spent her days painting stories onto cloth and walls. Their love was not born of grand gestures but of silent glances, shared cups of chai, and evenings spent watching the stars. They met during a village mela when Arav helped Mira's father set up his stall. As she offered him a glass of water with a shy smile, something in their hearts shifted. From that moment, they became inseparable, not by public declaration but by presence, by small acts of care, and by words left unsaid. Their families were not wealthy, but love blossomed anyway. They dreamt of a simple life, a small home, children running through fields, and a future built together. After months of convincing their parents, they finally got married in a quiet ceremony beneath the shade of an old peepal tree, with only the village and the gods as witnesses. Life was not without its struggles. Arav's school salary was modest, and Mira's paintings earned just enough to buy groceries, but they were content. In each other, they had found a world that no hardship could dim. One night, while returning from the temple on a borrowed scooter, it began to rain. They laughed, drenched and alive, as the sky thundered above them. Mira held Arav tighter, her head resting on his back, whispering, "Promise me we'll never be apart." Arav smiled, "Not even death can take you away from me." But fate, cruel and unforgiving, had other plans. A truck, speeding and reckless, came around a blind turn. In a split second, everything changed. The impact flung them into the air. The scooter was crushed, the rain turned red, and the road grew silent. Villagers rushed to the scene. Mira was unconscious, blood pooling beneath her head. Arav, barely breathing, reached out to her. His hand trembled as he touched her fingers. She's all I have," he whispered. Mira's eyes fluttered open. She saw his face and smiled through her pain. "I told you, not even death." Tears streamed down their faces, mingling with the rain. Holding hands, they took their last breath together, the light in their eyes fading like the setting sun behind the desert dunes. The entire village mourned. 2 pyres were lit side by side, garlands placed with trembling hands, and prayers sent up to the heavens. As the flames rose, a gentle breeze swept through, and many swore they saw 2 peacocks, dancing, free and together, vanish into the twilight sky. Years passed, but their story remained. Children in the village still speak of Arav and Mira, not with sorrow, but with wonder. A bench beneath the peepal tree bears their names, and couples come to tie threads around it, hoping for a love as pure. Their love did not end with death. It became legend, a reminder that true love doesn't seek forever, only the promise of now, and the courage to hold on, even in the face of the inevitable. For Arav and Mira, love was not just a feeling. It was a vow carried into the afterlife, where 2 souls once broken now live on in eternity.